What's happening, people? Hope you're good, hope you're well. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Yeah, you got a theory and a practical. You have a theory and a practical. There's a lot of people that yap, talk their opinions. That's all well and good. They need to be tested. They need to be tested. Facts are facts because they've been tested. They have been tested with a good sample size with positive results. That's why they are facts. So if you're stating opinions, that's no good for anyone. You need to test it out. You need to test it. We need to see if it's true. Has your opinion been put to the test? Good feedback, positive news from those results. Have we got a good sample size? See, all these things matter, bro. If that's the case, then you're stating facts. You are stating facts. There's always a theory and there's always a practical. Every time. No matter what you say, what you state, opinions, they need to be tested. If you ain't tested them out, I'm sorry, you need to shut it. You need to keep quiet. We all think this and that. You know, we try to work our mind a little bit, but we got to start testing this stuff. If you haven't tested it out, it ain't doing no good for anyone. It's just air. It's just a waste of words. You got to state facts. The sun is hot. That is a fact. There is no bending that. You can't bend the truth. The UK is a miserable place. That is a fact. Actually, you know what? I ain't going to do it. I can't say that. Not a big enough sample size. Can't do that just yet. Still have faith in the mighty Great Britain, you know what I mean? But yeah, do you get the gist? Do you understand what I am saying? You are looking to drive. You might have passed your theory test. You think you know how to drive. Still got to do the practical, bro. You didn't get your papers. You didn't pass. You don't know how to drive. I don't care what you did. I don't care what the theory says. That's a fact. This is universal. This applies to everything. I use driving as a reference, but this applies to everything and everything. Everything that you think, everything that you do. You go to university. You study business. You receive a business degree. You graduate. Congratulations. Shout out to everyone that's graduating. That's a good thing. I'm not knocking it. Great stuff. But that's the theory. Now there's a practical. You have to set up a business with clientele successfully. Have you done that? Then you don't know business. It's just a fact. I'm sorry. It's just a fact. How many people do we know that have studied certain subjects and venture off into different fields afterwards? It's just a fact. It's just a fact. I'm sorry. That's just what it is. This is a truth channel. That's a theory. Get your qualifications. Now you have to do it. You have to test it. You have to test your knowledge. That's the practical. It's the same thing. So yeah, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know, shut it. Ask questions. State facts. If not, stop the yap, stop the cap, and please shut your trap. Guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, till next time, stay safe, drink water, eat fruit, show love, don't hate, one yourself.